Hello, my dear students. I am Malik Farooq, lecturer zoology, Boys Higher Secondary Lingate. The topic of the day is membrane functions. As we were dealing with the cell, the unit of life, and previously we were dealing with the models that were given by the various biologists at that time. And the most accepted model is fluid mosaic model, given by Nicholson and Singer in 1972. But today's topic is membrane functions. What are the functions of membrane? Number first, holding of cell contents. Cell membranes hold the semi-fluid protoplasmic contents. इन इसकी जो पहली फंक्शन है वो है that it holds the semi-fluid protoplasmic contents. Number second, protection. Plasma membrane protects the animal cell from injury. Plant cells possess wall over plasma lemma for the extra protection and support. Number third, individuality. Plasma maintains form and individuality of the cell. Organelles. Cell membrane delimit a number of subcellular structures or organelles like nucleus, mitochondria, plastids, Golgi apparatus, endoplasmic reticulum, microbodies, and so on. इसी तरह से compartmentalization. Cell membrane separates the cell from their external environment and cell organelles from the cytosol. Cell regeneration. With the help of glycolipids and glycoproteins, cell membrane are able to differentiate similar cells from the dissimilar cells. Cell recognition can be approximately proved. Cells from the different tissues are mixed up and allowed to grow on a common nutrient medium. Dear students, there are much more functions of this cell membrane. For example, antigens. Cell membranes possess antigens which determine blood grouping, immune response, acceptance or rejection. Cell junctions. They help in keeping animal cells. तो cell junctions जो है cell में तो वो उनका एक खास रोल है that they keep in keeping the animal cells together. इस तरह microvilli. They are the membranes invaginations which are specialized for the increasing absorption. Sheaths. Plasma membrane forms sheaths around cilia and flagella. Cell cytoplasmic bridges है. Cell movement. Undulations, for example, fibroblasts, pseudopodia, amoeba are the cell membrane phenomena involved in the cell movement. इसी तरह से एक और फंक्शन है इसकी endocytosis. Bulk intake of materials or endocytosis occurs for the development of membrane vesicles. Exocytosis. Impulse transmission. One more function. Neuroimpulse travel through the plasma membrane of the nerve cells. Selective permeability. Cell membranes allow entry to only selected membranes. They are impermeable to others. Retentivity. Cell membranes are not like leak. They do not allow outward passage of absorbed substance. Cell metabolism. Cell membrane controls cell metabolism through the selectivity, permeability, and retentivity. Electron transport. Electron transport chains of the mitochondria and chloroplast are located along the membranes. इस तरह एक और function है osmosis. It's caused by the presence of special water channels in the membranes. Carrier of proteins. Cell membranes, they also are the carrier of enzymes, proteins. They occur in the cell membrane and control the active transport. About 30 enzymes are located in the membranes for performing various biochemical reactions like synthesis of and hydrolysis of ATP and by the ATPase. Membrane receptors. Membranes possess receptors for the hormones, neurotransmitters, immunoglobulins, and several other biochemicals. These were some functions of the cell membrane. In the next lecture, we will deal with the cell organelles. For example, this nucleus is there, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes. Thank you for watching these videos.